Hello family, I'm Clementine and I'm making this video to help people who might accidentally dye their hair a color that they weren't desiring when using the super natural henna products. Now I only am familiar with one, and that is the White Mountain products, and occasionally you know, every other year or so I will put in the bright red henna. As you can see, my hair is red, but it's naturally more of an orange color, more like my eyebrows. So a little bit not quite as bright red. This year, I decided I just wanted to enhance my orange, and I didn't necessarily want to go bright red. So I think this is going to be a very short video. I got a light red, and what happened for whatever reason is that dyed my hair brown. So I had brown hair for a couple of days and I was just lost. I was like, I don't know what to do. I'm not a redhead anymore, and I didn't like it, of course. And when it was wet, it looked blackish greenish brown, so I was really worried. So what I'm sharing with you is the natural way to get that brown, which is an indigo dye color, back out of the hair if you have this happen to you accidentally. So what you do is, so for the second half of this video, I'm going to show you what I did, which is a natural solution. So I read about using coconut oil and crushing up vitamin C tablets. So what I did is I just used the vitamin C I already used. It's already crushed up. It is in a powder form, as you can see here. And I took about, I would say, 3 to 4 tablespoons of the coconut oil in a glass bowl with 4 teaspoons of the vitamin C powder. Just mixed it up, placed it on my hair, and then I tied a produce bag around the top of my head, firstly to create a little warmth and help to activate that citric acid in removing the indigo color of the dye, and secondly to keep it from dripping on the furniture or anywhere else at my friend's house that I'm at here. So I used this product and this product because I had a free one and I already had this, so it was perfect. And I left it on for, I would say, about 2 hours, and then I washed it out with Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, which is a very clarifying soap. And I had to wash my hair about 4 to 5 times to get all of the coconut oil out. It's very oily, obviously. So that worked. So that's your natural solution to getting brown, which is the indigo color of the henna, out of the hair. And this was the White Mountain, very natural. I highly recommend the product. It was just some sort of snafu that happened with the product. And I usually use the bright red. One use of the coconut oil with the vitamin C, and 4 washes with the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, and it took care of the problem. So good luck and enjoy this natural solution that does not pollute the soil, the air, or the water, meaning your body, breath, or your blood. Very natural remedy, just like the henna is a natural color deposit. Thank you, and I hope this helps you.